Hello everyone. This video is going to be about how to set up Python virtual environments. This will help you have multiple projects with just the needed installed packages for each, helping to avoid conflicts between them. Before we create an environment, I had to install a package in Linux to get this working. I did not have to install this on Windows though. To install the package, I opened up a terminal in Linux and typed the command sudo apt-get install python-venv. Keep in mind that my Python install required me to type Python 3. You will probably have to just type Python without the 3. You also might not even need to do this, so just skip this step if it doesn't work. So now let's actually create an environment. The syntax for creating one is python-venv and the path to the environment, where the path to the environment is the location you want your new virtual environment to reside in. So let's say I want to create an environment for a project from GitHub I'm interested in. The project is called open-timeline.io. To create the environment, I'll open a terminal window or a command prompt in Windows. I'll navigate to the folder I want the environment to be saved in. I navigated to this Python folder, and if I list its contents by typing ls, you can see that it's empty. I want all my Python projects to reside here. Now to create the environment, I'll type python-venv open-timeline.io. This creates a directory called open-timeline.io that contains everything needed for the virtual environment. Remember, depending on your install, you will have to either type Python or Python 3 on the command. If I list the contents of the current directory again, I can now see a new folder called open-timeline.io. The next step is to actually use this environment, and to do that, we have to activate it. Do that by going to the environments folder, then type source bin/activate. You can see the open-timeline.io folder name to the left of my prompt, confirming that we activated the environment. To leave the virtual environment, type deactivate. And that's it. You can now have different environments for different projects and easily switch between them. Just run the same commands to create, activate, and deactivate a different project. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And if you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and its bell icon so you can get notified of future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.